Welcome to our quick guide on how to edit the privacy settings of your current Facebook story. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to control who can see your story, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your current story. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the Stories section at the top of your news feed. Now that you're viewing your story, look for the three dots icon, also known as the More option. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Give it a tap, and a menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Edit Story Privacy. This option allows you to customize who can view your story, giving you more control over your content's visibility. Once you've tapped on Edit Story Privacy, you'll be presented with a list of audience options. These typically include Public, which means anyone on Facebook can see your story, Friends, which limits visibility to people you've added as friends, and Close Friends, a more exclusive list you can customize. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your needs. If you're sharing a fun moment you don't mind everyone seeing, Public might be the way to go. For more personal content, Friends or Close Friends could be better choices. After you've made your selection, Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you haven't tapped an option by mistake. Once you've confirmed, your new privacy settings will be applied to your current story. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the privacy settings of your Facebook story. Remember, you can always change these settings for each new story you post, giving you flexibility in how you share your content. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.